This channel gets millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. This amazing process clearly demonstrates how easy and fast it is to succeed on the YouTube platform, to start making money using short films like the one you see now. And it is important to understand that this is not just another ordinary motivational video. The creators of such content go beyond the usual, turning standard motivational statements into fascinating short stories using modern technology and artificial intelligence. This creative approach makes their content truly unique, attracting the attention of the YouTube Shorts algorithm and ensuring the rapid growth of their audience. Eventually, their videos go viral, attracting millions of views. Now that we understand the essence of this strategy, let's move on to a detailed guide for creating such videos. Our main tools are GPT Chat for script development and CapCut for professional editing. To simplify the process, I suggest choosing a simpler way. Use the pre-prepared Google Doc, in which I provided instructions for GPT by asking him for 5 script ideas based on a motivational video. Having received this list, we will move on to the next stage of the creative process. Now our goal is to take the written script and turn it into an exciting voice accompaniment. To do this, we will use a text editor and the 11 Labs website. Just copy the script from the GPT chat and paste it into the 11 Labs website. This web resource converts text into natural voiceover, giving your video a vividness and uniqueness. Let's move on to the second stage and bring your idea to life. Now that you are ready to choose a voice, I suggest you focus on a deep tone. For example, like Adam or Marcus, which I myself found and consider ideal for this type of video. You can play and listen to different voices sequentially in case you want something else unique. At the end of this stage, just click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Let's move on to the next stage, getting stock footage. If you are aiming for the rapid viral distribution of videos, attractive visual effects play a key role, as on those channels that I showed you earlier. The implication is that you are looking for content that will ensure success, such as supercar scenes, a lifestyle on vacation, or even luxury homes. You need your viewers to be able to get attached to these elements. So now your step is to go to Pixels, search for supercars, select a video, watch it, and then download 3 of the 5 different videos that you think are the best. Repeat this action for luxury homes and vacations. Now that we have the source material and the voiceover ready, the next step is to combine them into one video. To do this, you can use any editing program of your choice, but according to the promise, I will use CapCut. When you open CapCut, start importing your files and include voice-activated frames. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline and then add stock footage behind it. Change the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16, considering that we create short videos for YouTube Shorts. After that, you need to make adjustments to the footage. Given that the attention of viewers watching short films on YouTube is limited, quickly switch between frames. I suggest setting the maximum display time for each frame to 5 seconds. Just click on the video, reduce the duration to 5 seconds, and so on for the rest. This way, you will make sure that the footage is correctly placed on the screen. To do this, let's start by clicking on the first video and resizing it by dragging its corners until it fits perfectly on the screen. Feel free to adjust the position of the video to achieve the best effect. While it looks good, let's move on to the next important step: reducing the brightness to create an atmosphere of gloomy motivation. To do this, go to the Settings tab in the upper left corner, then click on the plus sign and stretch it throughout the video. Let's reduce the saturation to about -50 and the brightness to about 1. Let's quickly scroll through and check what the colors look like. Now let's add a smooth transition. Just click on Transition, then find Fade Transition. Add it to all the clips one by one. To make the video even more expressive, we'll add some effects. Go to the effects section and review them, applying the ones you like. Click on the effect and drag it to the timeline, then adjust its length for each clip. Try to apply at least one effect to each video. When we're done with the effects, we'll add the text. Use the Auto Cap Caption function in the top menu. Just go to the text area and select Auto Caption. In just a few seconds, your signature will be ready. Now let's edit it to make it more attractive. Click on the template in the upper right corner, replay the preview, and select the template that suits your video. You can change the color, size, and font. The video is ready, but don't forget to add background music. I would recommend using music from Pixabay, but as promised at the beginning of the video, let's tell you a secret. Use music from YouTube, as YouTube Shorts prefers videos with trending music. Go back to CapCut, export the video, and upload it to YouTube Shorts. Just click on Sounds. Find the appropriate background music and use it. Don't forget to turn down the volume before posting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.